In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove objects from videos in CapCut. If you've ever filmed a great clip only to realize there's something distracting in the background, like a random person walking by or an unwanted sign, this tutorial is for you. I'll walk you through the full process inside CapCut so you can clean up your footage and make it look more professional, even if you're a beginner. First, open CapCut on your device and create a new project. Import the video you want to fix by tapping to add it to your timeline. Take a moment to scrub through the clip and identify exactly where the unwanted object appears. It helps to zoom in on the timeline so you can be more precise with your edits. Once your video is on the timeline, select the clip by tapping on it. You're looking for CapCut's Object Removal or Remove feature, which is available in the editing toolbar, usually under options like Edit, Retouch, or similar visual tools depending on your app version. When you find the Remove or Object Removal tool, tap it to open. Now, you'll usually see a brush or selection tool. Carefully paint over or outline the object you want to remove. Take your time here. It's better to zoom into the video preview and use a smaller brush size so you don't accidentally include parts of the subject you want to keep. CapCut will analyze the selected area and try to blend it with the background. After you've highlighted the object, confirm or apply the removal. The app will process for a moment, then show you the result. Play back that portion of the clip to see if it looks natural. If you notice glitches, warping, or strange textures, undo the change and try again with a smaller, more accurate selection. Sometimes it works better if you remove the object in shorter segments instead of one long continuous selection. If the object only appears in part of the video, you can also trim your clip so the removal is applied only where needed. Split the clip around the section where the object shows up. Apply the removal on that portion, and keep the rest of the footage untouched for the best quality. When you're happy with how it looks, watch the entire clip from start to finish to make sure everything plays smoothly. Finally, export your video in the highest quality your device allows, and save or share it wherever you like.